Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC60 versus the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Let's start by looking at safety, a core strength for both. The Volvo XC60 consistently achieves top safety ratings, often earning IS Top Safety Pick awards. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio also performs exceptionally well, receiving a 5-star Euro NCAP rating with an impressive 97% score for adult occupant protection. Both vehicles integrate advanced driver assistance systems to help keep you secure on the road. When it comes to performance, these SUVs offer distinct experiences. The Volvo XC60 provides a balanced drive with its B5 mild hybrid engine, delivering 247 horsepower, or a powerful T8 plug-in hybrid with 455 horsepower. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio, however, leans into sportiness. Its standard 2.0-liter turbo engine produces 280 horsepower, while the high-performance Quadrifoglio variant unleashes an exhilarating 505 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.6 seconds. Inside, both the XC60 and Stelvio offer luxurious cabins, but with different philosophies. The Volvo XC60 emphasizes practical elegance, providing 22.4 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats up, expanding to a generous 63.3 cubic feet when folded. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio offers 18.5 cubic feet of cargo space, growing to 56.5 cubic feet with seats down. Both SUVs boast premium materials, intuitive infotainment systems, and comfortable seating for a refined driving experience. When considering long-term ownership, reliability and value are key. The Volvo XC60 holds a J.D. Power reliability rating of 74 out of 100, reflecting its consistent performance. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio, surprisingly to some, earned a higher J.D. Power reliability score of 85 out of 100, indicating strong owner satisfaction. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize Volvo's established safety and refined comfort or the Stelvio's exhilarating performance and distinctive Italian flair. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.